Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the system off and removing all power sources. Make sure the PSU switch is off. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static damage, because GPUs are sensitive to ESD. Next, remove the case side panel and disconnect monitor cables and any PCIe power leads from the card. This frees the GPU for removal and gives you clear access to the retention latch and mounting screws. You should now unscrew the rear bracket screws and support the card with one hand while you press the PCIe retention clip. Do not force it. Once the clip releases, pull the GPU straight out of the slot in a steady motion to prevent bending the PCB. After removal, clean the PCIe slot and surrounding area with compressed air, and visually inspect both the card and slot to ensure there are no bent contacts or debris before installing the new unit. You line up the new GPU with the PCIe slot so the bracket matches the case opening, then push straight down until the retention clip clicks. This ensures proper seating. Next, tighten the bracket screws, connect the required PCIe power cables, and reattach display cables, then power on. If the system won't post or drivers fail, shut down, reseat the card and cables, try a different PCIe slot or power cable, and verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.